Hello friends, let's start with the next tutorial, runtime class in Java. In case you want to see my previous tutorials, then I will give the link in description and you can refer that. Now, let's start with the next tutorial, runtime class. Well, Java runtime class is used to interact with Java runtime environment. Java runtime class provides a method to execute, process, invoke garbage collection, get available memory, total memory, free memory, etc. So if you want any interaction with the runtime environment, then we can use runtime class. Let's take an example. In case you want to open a notepad, so you can do this by executing runtime class. How to open notepad? You will create runtime object, runtime dot get runtime. It will give you the object of runtime class like runtime object equal to next runtime object dot execute method. In that you will write notepad. There will be one exception here. You need to have try catch block or a throws method. It will create throws method if input is not available. If notepad is not available in your system, then this exception will come. Now if I will run this, it will open the notepad. Indeed, this is Java runtime class for execute method. Even you can use shutdown here. It will shut down your system. Even you can use restart here like shutdown, then hyphen minus R. It will restart your system. Next, in the Java runtime, we have add shutdown hook. Add shutdown hook I have already explained while explaining thread. Add shutdown hook is a method which is invoked at the last of the program. Suppose you have system.out.println start of the program, end, it is mid. I'm writing it as mid. Now I will create shutdown hook runtime dot get runtime dot add shutdown hook, then a thread. Whether I will create a thread class and use its object here, or I will use anonymous approach. How to use that? I will write new thread and then public void run. Correct. Next I will print end. Now in this case, when you will run the program, first this will be printed, then you are expecting this will be printed, then this is wrong, because add shutdown hook always get printed after the end of the main program. So in this case, first this will be printed, then this will be ignored, this will be printed, which is mid, then the program will end, but just before end this will be invoked, and then the end will be printed. So start, mid and end. Indeed. Next we have available processes. So by using runtime.get available processes, it will give you how many processes are available. If you will run this, there are 4 processes available in my system. So this is it. Next you have free memory and total memory. Free memory and total memory will tell you how much memory is available and how much memory is free right now. So let's see this. System.out.println runtime object equal to runtime dot get runtime. Now object dot total memory. Now object of free memory. Now I'm using some memory. Int I equal to 0, I less than 10,000, I plus plus. Create the object of main class. Object of main class will be called, so many of the memory will be allocated here. So if you will try to print the free memory again here, it will be very less. Free to. Now I will free the memory again because this is not assigned to a variable. So if I will call the garbage collection, then this will be free here. Now again I want to see how much memory free is available, then it will be more than free to, because many of the memory will be free here. Now let's run this. So you have total memory, you have free memory. Now once these objects are allocated, your free memory is very less. Free to is this one, 1 to 7, and here it starts from 2 7. So a lot of memory is occupied now. Now once you will invoke the garbage collection, then this will be free, these 10,000 and every other memory as well is free now. So now how much memory is free? 7584. So it is a lot of memory is free now. So you can see these things from the Java runtime environment. So the runtime classes. Well, I hope you liked the video. Do like and subscribe. And in case you have any doubt, just let me know. I will clear your doubts in comment. Thank you, friends.